月8号的话开始接收救援的物资，2月8号的话收到10批次的那个救援物资，然后2月8号晚上的话，我们已经发走了一批大概1.5吨左右的救援物资。全国各地都有的，有一些是在网上直接网购，然后送回到我们这个救援物资集结的那个仓库。也有直接开车从厂家送过来的，还有一些是派车送过来的，还有一些是自己开车送过来的，不同形式的把货物集结在这边来。然后今天2月9号的话，收到7批次的那个救援物资，其中有一批比较大批量的那个发电机，有500多箱20多吨的那个救援物资，现在正在紧张的安排、卸货和处理当中，预计今天晚上会起飞的。其实在这方面的话也是比较感动的，就是说，一方有难八方支援，各行各业的人都在支持和那个支援这个灾区啊，我们会以最高效的速度安排出运的。
And this is a historical earthquake. We are talking about 2 earthquakes actually. So many buildings collapsed and there are many people under the ruins right now. But we are very much thankful to international community, and China is one of the prominent member of that international community, rushed to Turkey's relief and rescue efforts. We are grateful that there's such an interest and friendship developed between Chinese people and the Turkish people. They are trying to help us. And today, this is the second day of our cargo material, which will be going to Turkey. We have a huge cargo today, mainly composed of electrical generations and etc. because this is the biggest actual requirement in Turkey. Today, consignment is coming from Turkish businessmen located mainly in Guangdong province. They came together and they bought those materials from Chinese factories and make them to be sent here. And we are here as a Guangzhou Consul General with my small team. We are very small staff members in the Guangzhou consulate, and together with the Chinese friends who rush to help us and some Turkish friends who are also coming to help us to package them and label them and send by Turkish Airlines to Turkey. Already informed related authorities in customs in Turkey. It will enter to Istanbul, and from Istanbul there will be another flight, either military flight or official flight or private flight, which has been designated for purpose to the southern region. One of those 10 cities that will be arrived, or it will be distributed to the needed areas among the 10 cities. Consignment is being received by officially designed agency for that purpose, which are responsible for rescue and relief operations in Turkey. Right now, under their control, there are more than 70,000 relief and rescue teams operating in Turkey, which includes Turkish relief and rescue teams and also the foreign relief and rescue teams, but they gathered all around that official relief and rescue team in Turkey. This is a historical thing, and it is the biggest operation of the world. In the history, we didn't see such a world operation of that magnitude to go to one country to rescue and relieve the people there.